I've been waiting all night.
Hope you guys are doing well. I'm not sure what's going on with my camera today, but anyway, I just came out of the salon. You guys, it is that time of the year again. It is that time of the year. I'm having my birthday shoot today, and I came to get my hair done. This was the hairstyle I opted for, this bantu ponytail thing. I think it's really cute. I actually really like it. So I need to get home, grab my dress, grab a few things, and head over to where I'm doing my makeup. This is like the only time I ever get my makeup done by somebody else. It's always when I want to do my birthday shoot, and that's it. But yeah, anyway, let's go. My hair is looking good. I believe my makeup will look great as well, thanks to my husband's recommendation. My husband is a photographer, so he always gives me the best makeup artists. And yeah, anyway, let's go and get glammed up, okay? So my makeup artist for today, Diane, right?
Yes,
Diane.
Hi.
Hi.
I'm always hiding my face.
You're like the faceless brand.
Exactly. Is it for your birthday or just
Yeah, my birthday is on Monday. So my husband, even if the years I'm like, I don't feel like doing it. Like, you must do shoots. He's like, how can you not do a shoot? Don't you know that you are a brand? Hi guys, so it is the day after my birthday shoot and I'm in this really cute place today for work, obviously. So I'm with my crew today and we are shooting in this 6-bedroom mansion in Guzape. If you're in Abuja, you know that Guzape is like the choicest part of Abuja, legit right now. So we've been shooting 6-bedroom mansion and it's got like a lot of space, which is very, very cute. And yeah, that's what we've been doing for the last 1 hour. Mubarak.
Hi.
Hi. Chioma. Hi. This is Wakaka's sister, by the way. If you guys don't know, yes. Wakaka has a sister that has slowly, she's now Chioma of Abuja. Oh yes. And she has gradually become a content creator too. She's also a content creator. Tengu is not here yet, but we filmed all our personal content and ooh, look at all that lights. I love it. Hi. You can see a DSTV dish here. I think somebody has already moved. I changed my outfits and I'm wearing something less stressful. It's like a dress. We're going to Magnisi. We have content to shoot at Magnisi today as well. Yeah, so that's what we're going to right now. I didn't want to wear the same thing I wore to shoot here. It's a different content. So yeah, that's it guys. Anyway, let's go. Capture me, my homeless.
Different minds telling lies. That's how we stay alive. At least we try to survive. We're not the ones who hide. Two different minds.
Baby, I like this bag. You choke bag. Monday is coming. You can always get a black, trust me. That green is greening. You don't have a green. This color. I know, right? Waka and Chioma of Abuja. Kaka of Abuja. Chioma of Abuja. Fine girl. Hey baby. Hey baby. We came to have bubble tea after a very busy but productive day. We came to have bubble tea and it's so good. This place is so good guys. It's a very nice place. This is very, very yummy.